Hello guys, my name is Dean Fortish. I just came from Africa. Uh, I'm trying to get my CDL license. So right now the English is my only problem. So I'm trying to go to the Tampa driver school next month. So right now what I'm doing is training to get my CDL on the laptop. So let's go. Um, this is the tractor. So when you go make pre-trip inspection, make sure is no leaks under the engine, under the engine compartment. Truck isn't leaning to one side. Lights, the lights must be proper amount. Proper amount? Is this is the correct word? Oh my gosh. No leaks. No leaks under the engine compartment. No leaks under the engine compartment. Truck isn't leaning. If it's leaning, indicate the suspension problem or the tire pressure problem. Lights must be the proper color. Orange front, red on the back, security mounted, not cracked door. My God. No leaks under the engine compartment. The truck isn't leaning to no side. The lights are securely mounted. No cracked. Oh. Let me see. Alternator securely mounted to engine, not bent, broken or cracked. 3/4 inch. I really need help. Oh gosh, this English is killing me.